Rising global temperatures, a phenomenon that began in earnest during the late 19th century, emerged as a consequence of increased industrial activity and deforestation, leading to significant changes across societies, economies, and industries. Initially, it was recognized that levels of atmospheric carbon dioxide, CO2, had risen, marking an increase from pre-industrial times. These elevated CO2 concentrations resulted in enhanced greenhouse effect, trapping more heat within the Earth's atmosphere. This warming trend became apparent during the latter half of the 19th century, when polar ice caps began to retreat and glaciers across various regions started melting. Notably, a pivotal moment came with the publication of An Inconvenient Truth by Al Gore in 2006, which provided extensive evidence linking human activities to climate change. Key developments since then have included international agreements such as the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, 1992, and its Kyoto Protocol, 1997, aimed at reducing greenhouse gas emissions. By 2050, it is projected that global average temperatures could rise by around 4 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels due to accumulated carbon emissions. This projection underscores the urgency of addressing climate change. The impacts of rising temperatures have been profound and multifaceted. In terms of biodiversity, certain species are experiencing shifts in their geographic ranges as they adapt to changing conditions. For instance, studies show that approximately 35% of plant and animal species could face extinction by 2050 if current warming trends persist. Economically, the World Bank estimates that climate change will cost the global economy nearly $14 trillion annually between now and 2030. However, there are undeniable benefits to combating climate change through measures such as transitioning to renewable energy sources like wind and solar power, which not only mitigate environmental harm, but also create new job opportunities. Moreover, advancements in technology have made it possible for countries around the world to implement more effective mitigation strategies, thereby reducing emissions of greenhouse gases. In summary, rising temperatures due to climate change represent a complex issue with far-reaching consequences affecting natural ecosystems and human societies alike. Though significant progress has been made toward addressing this crisis through international cooperation and technological innovations, continued efforts are essential to ensure sustainable development in the face of an ever-warming planet.